Question. Which car do you notice more? Of course, the one that's blinking faster. So why don't all vehicles do that? I'm going to have Andrew from Emergency Safety Solutions explain what they're doing to change that.
We're here at the Chicago Auto Show because we're trying to bring visibility and awareness to a huge problem on our roadways, and that's the problem of collisions involving disabled or vulnerable vehicles. And we found that about 19,000 people per year are killed or injured in incidents, collisions involving disabled vehicles. And so what we're trying to do is bring awareness, first of all. Also, we have developed our own solution that we believe will greatly address the challenge on the roads. Our system is called H.E.L.P, and it involves really two features. The first feature is lighting alerts. That's the high flash rate of the hazard lamps to get much more attention from oncoming motorists. The second feature we have is digital alerts that are deployed to oncoming drivers in the immediate vicinity so they can be alerted prior to having a line of sight view of the disabled vehicle. Emergency flashes, as we know them, were invented in 1951. Back then, the technology only allowed incandescent bulbs and mechanical relays that did not allow a faster flash rate. They became mandated in 1966. Today's regulation still requires a flash rate of between 1 and 2 flashes per second, or 1 to 2 hertz. What modern technology now allows, and computerized controls of lighting, allow us to flash these at, for example, 5 hertz. And that has proven scientifically to be much more effective at signaling urgency and causing drivers to slow down and move over away from the disabled vehicle. Yes, in fact, this Ford Bronco that we have here has no changes to the factory lamps. These are 100% stock factory lamps. We're simply changing the flash rate. So software changes are primarily the requirement to adopt our feature. We have, in addition to Tesla, we do have good engagement with other automakers. Stellantis has announced that they're evaluating our system. And we've also announced with Volkswagen a collaboration to showcase this technology on their vehicles. If an airbag is triggered in the vehicle, automatically it deploys the system. So our system is designed to have those automatic triggers. Sometimes these moments can be very stressful for a driver. And so the automatic activation, we think, is a key. Can activate from a number of triggers like a rollover and an instant flat tire, those types of things. Our system also allows for manual activation if the vehicle is stopped. And in that case, there can be a prompt in the vehicle that prompts the driver to activate the system if they would like.
To be clear, when an alert is sent, it utilizes Safety Cloud, which is a technology by a company called H.E.L.P. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram vehicles in the U.S. have deployed Safety Cloud on many of its vehicles to alert drivers of emergency vehicles in the area. Emergency Safety Solutions makes this communication more better by increasing the frequency of the hazard lights and communicating vehicles in distress to H.E.L.P. Safety Cloud. Hopefully more automakers say, that sounds like a good idea, or the government steps in after studying it for too long. It's the 21st century. We need to take advantage of digital communication and LED lighting. I mean, come on, man. What are we supposed to use road flares to prevent accidents?